Help me, mother! My stupid head. Where the hell am I? Sigh, I'm stuck here and who knows—
Get back here! You won't get away!
What the hell is that? Oh, that can't be good. Was that who I think it was? The thing wasn't after me. Damn, bro, what the hell was that, bro? Well, that freaking hurt. A lot.
Yo, Cass.
You know damn well there's only one person to call. Charlie, is that you?
Don't call me Charlie. Also, wait a minute. Why do I have my original voice in this episode?
Well, I didn't know if I could get Lemon to voice you, Jigsaw, and Sonata, so we're pretty much stuck with the AI voices for now.
Oh, well, I guess that makes sense. Anyways, back to the original script. I'd recognize those ugly locks anywhere.
Boy, you seriously have to bring up my dreadlocks like that?
Anyways, I'd better get moving. Something came up, and I gotta deal with it. Pronto. See ya.
Well, that was stupid.
Jigsaw!
Why do I feel like I got a rut?